Morning, everyone. So today's experiment is verify the timer and the counter concepts using PLC with suitable examples. Okay. So again, verify the timer and counter concepts using PLC with suitable examples. So coming to our problem, first one, problem number, an output coil should be enabling after a time delay. So here we are using timers and counters concepts using PLC software. Okay, so that is so an output coil should be enabling after a time delay. Okay, so after time delay, as you wish, you have to set your time slot. That is an output call should be enabling after 65 seconds time delay. I have to choose 65 seconds time delay. Okay, here on output coil. Okay, so output coil is like this. So one single input and a single output is available. Okay, here which problem? This problem. Okay, S1 is the NO switch. Normally, as you know, single normally open switch S1. So here timer is TMR. Shortcut is TMR. The time addressing mode is T0. So settling time. What is the time delay? Time limit is 65 seconds. That is it will indicate K65. Okay, so this is the S1. We have to activate the timer up to 65 seconds. 65 seconds తర్వాత యాక్టివేట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఓకే, సో T0 మనం సెట్టింగ్ ఇచ్చాం, 65 seconds time delay ఇచ్చాం. So after 65 seconds T0 will activate and Y0 will be enabled. Okay, Y0 will be enabled. Y0 is the output coil. So okay, after that we have to end up the program. Okay, so what you know, so this is the PLC software. Okay, so you have to time new concept timer. So timer 1. Okay, please wait. Okay, see here we connect an output coil should be enabling after a 65 seconds time delay. 65 seconds time delay. So this is, so once again, when switch S1 is connected to timer. Okay, switch S1 is connected to timer. So S1 is connected to timer. In this case, timer means you have to select that box under TMR. Only T is enough. TMR. Okay button. Okay button. TMR. Enter TMR. So this dialog box will appear like this. Okay, after that S1 is timer T. So that is 65 seconds. 65 seconds to 65 seconds. So please delete 0. Okay, K value is okay, sorry, timer T0. Okay, T0 and K value is 65. Okay. Please listen carefully. T value S1, T value is 0, K value is 65. So this is it. Timer T0, K value is 65. So okay, after that you have to select T0. T0 కి టైమర్ సెట్ చేసాం 65 seconds. టైమర్ సెట్ చేసి ఆ T0 చిప్ నుంచి మనం అవుట్పుట్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, T0 is the T naught నుంచి టైమర్ నుంచి మనం అవుట్పుట్ తీసుకుంటాం. వై నాట్ ఎనేబుల్ చేస్తాం. T naught. Again same switch you have to connect T naught and output is Y naught. So after this drawn ladder diagram, after this, okay, here we connect to after that so compile the system. Okay, after compiling the end bar will appear like this. Okay, so we have to simulate the system once again, and click to download the current open program to PLC CSS. After that you have to run the run button. Click the run button. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Okay, here we have to switch on the input. Input is given to the S1. S1 is on, so timer will start like this. After 65 seconds, T naught will activated. After that, Y naught will be enabled. Okay, so once again, off and on. Set on. Okay, Y naught. So this is the basic timer circuit operation. Okay, so here we have to connect to S1 at the same time TMR. Okay, after that TMR we have to type TMR. The dialog box will appear like, and have to select S1, that is T naught, K value is 65. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so close like this. Next one more timer 2. Next problem. So next problem is an output coil should be enabling after 45 seconds time delay, and the timer would be disabled. Okay, okay, an output coil should be enabling after 45 seconds time delay, the timer would be disabled. Okay, so here we have to connect S0 and the timer T0 K65. Again same scenario. T0 will be activated after 45 seconds. The Y0 will be enabled after 45 seconds time delay. So after that, the timer will be a reset concept. Here a new concept will enter. So that is, so after setting the timer, to reset the timer value. So okay, so దేనికి ఇచ్చా మనం T0 టైం సెట్ చేస్తాం. సో ద T0 కి మనం రీసెట్ చేస్తాం. సో T0 switch is NO switch and reset the S0. So S0 is the main switch, T0 is the timer switch. Okay, so to reset the timer switch by using S0. Okay, so to wind up the ladder diagram. Okay, so here we connect S0 with T0 K45. Okay, so S0, the timer TMR like this. So please wait. Okay, so S0 is S0, S1 means T0, T0 value. So S2 is the K value. You have to select K value. So that is 45 seconds. I have to represent 45 seconds. Okay. So S0, timer T0, setting K45. After that, you have to connect T0, output Y0. T0, output Y0. Okay. So what is the problem? an output coil should be enabling after 45 seconds time delay. Okay, the timer would be disabled. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనం టైమర్ వుడ్ బి డిసేబుల్. సో కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఇక్కడ ల్యాచింగ్ ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాం, ఇక్కడ వై నాట్ అనేది. సో వై నాట్ ఎనేబుల్లోనే ఉంటుంది, ఎనేబుల్లో ఉండాలి కాబట్టి ఆఫ్టర్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎస్ నాట్ we should why not will be enable only. Okay, why not will be on condition only. That's why here using latching, why not latching. So that is the thing. Next one, so to reset the t0 switch through s0. RST reset condition. Please wait. S0 value. Reset S0. Okay. Wind up the ladder diagram. Compile the system. Okay. So here, so problem is an output coil should be enabling after 45 seconds time delay. The timer would be disabled. Here, so an output coil should be enabling after 45 seconds time delay. To set the timer at 45 seconds time delay through T0, in what basis? S0 is a switch. So S0 is a switch. Okay, after completion of time delay setting, T0 will be reset. T0 will be reset, S0 will be off mode. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so compile the system and simulate the system. Simulator will be on, and online mode, go to online mode and run the system. Okay, so coming to S0 will be on. After 45 seconds time delay, Y0 will be enabled. Okay, Y0 will be enabled. After that, K is 0. Okay, here we observe. So K 45 దగ్గర ఇందాక ఏం చేస్తాం లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లంలో. సో ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం we have observed K వాల్యూ ఈస్ సెటిలింగ్ టైం దగ్గర ఆగిపోయింది. సో 0 అవ్వాల, ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది రీసెట్ అవుతుంది చూస్తారా మీరు, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేస్తున్నాం. So with immediately T0 will be reset S0. S0 will be resetted with a 0 value. Okay, here output will be stay here only. Output will be enabled that mode only. Okay, output will be stay like that only. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, everything is clear. Simulate the system. Okay, next counter. Next new concept is counter. Count 1, counter 1. Here an output coil should be enabled. Here an output coil should be enabled after 30 seconds time delay, and after 20 seconds the timer and output coil would be disabled using automatic control. So here S0 or S1, whatever it may be, you wish, as your wish, S1. So timer is K20 or K30, whatever it may be. Okay, as you like. Okay, after 20 seconds time delay, Y0 will be enabled. Okay, after 20 seconds Y0 will be enabled. 20 seconds తర్వాత దాన్ని రీసెట్ చేయాలి, రీసెట్ చేస్తాం. రీసెట్ చేసి ఆటోమేటిక్గా కంట్రోల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ అనదర్ మోడల్. ఓకే, అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ కాయిల్, this is a counter concept. Okay, counter concept, an output coil should be enabling after 5 counts. Okay, so here using S0 and counter shortcut is CNT. CNT counter, that is addressing mode is C0, K value is 5 counts. Okay, so after 5 counts, C0 will be enabled with Y0. Okay, Y0 will be enabled using C0. Okay, this is a simple counting period. Okay, S0 count, S0 CNT. You have to choose CNT. C0, K value is 5. 5 counts కదండి. After 5 counts, అంటే after 5 counts, C0 Y0. So compile the system. So now a ladder diagram ended, and compile the system and simulate the system. Okay, I have to go to online mode, run the system. So now the ladder diagram is ready to use. Okay, so S0 will be on. So ఒకసారి you have to click one time on, so that is one count. Next on off, second count. Okay, same switch will be on off, on and off, 3 counts. Again on off, 4 counts, fifth count, on off. So after 5 counts, so output coil Y0 will be enabled. Okay, so this is the counting. So even though you have to wish from 0 to whatever 100 counts, whatever it may be, as you wish. Okay, so in this counting ladder diagram, you have to manually switch on the S0 for every time, okay, so that is the each on off nothing but one count. Okay, each on off nothing but one count. Okay, so you have to repeat the procedure as you set the counting time. Okay, that is counting time is 5 counts, 5 on and off. You have to choose, you have to select that one. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, okay, next one is next model, in the same model, same counting technique. Count 2, count 2, counter 2. An output coil, okay, an output coil should be enabling after 5 times count, 5 times counts, and after 3 times the counter and output coil should be disabled by using automatic control. Here an output coil should be enabling after 5 times count. Okay, output coil S0, so will be enabled after 5 counts, that is S0 CNT, addressing mode is C0, counting time is 5 times. Okay, after 3 counts, so after setting the counting period, C0 will be enabled through Y0. Okay, after that, after 3 times, the counter and output coil should be disabled. Okay, again we are setting after 3 counts, nothing but after 5 counts తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంకో 3 counts కౌంటింగ్ పీరియడ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత S1 CNT C1 K3, ఆఫ్టర్ 3 కౌంట్స్ తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, రీసెట్ అవుతుంది. ఏది రీసెట్ అవుతుంది, C0 రీసెట్ అవ్వాలి. సో మెయిన్ స్విచ్ కి సంబంధించింది రీసెట్ అవ్వాలి, C0 విల్ బి రీసెటెడ్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ Okay, here, so today's third experiment, third experiment, here using some technical issue, here some technical, because of technical issue. So third experiment, last model, have to continue this session. Third experiment, so that is timers and counters concepts using PLC with suitable examples. In that experiment, that is a problem number 6, that is automatic control in the counting experiment. Okay, the counting experiment. I have to share the screen. Okay, in this case, so this is the thing, C0 K5, K5 only. So this is the thing. Okay, here experiment number 3, problem number 6, counter concept using automatic control, like this only. So please wait. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing, we have to execute the PLC software, in PLC software. Okay, in PLC software. So here this is a execute the experiment number 3, problem number 6, using automatic control by counting technique. Okay, that execute S0 count C0 K5. So this is C0 Y0 to C0 Y0. C0 Y0, and at the same time S1, another switch you have to use, S1 and count C1 K3. S1 C1 K3. So you have to enter in your keypad count CNT and choose this button. So dialog box will be appear like this. C1, in this case C1 K3, like this only. C1 K3. After 3 counts, you have to reset the system. After 3 counts, C1 reset C2, C0. This C1 resetted. Reset RST. I have to type the reset button. C1 reset C1. Reset C1. Reset C1. Okay. Sorry, reset C1 switch, reset C0. Okay. Reset C0. C0. And end of the ladder diagram, that is compile the system. Compile the system. and simulate the system. Okay, you have to go to online mode. Compile the system. And once again, some error like you have to choose simulating the button. Sorry. Please wait. Everything is okay. Everything will be okay. And once again, simulate the system. Compile the system. And once again, simulate the system. And go to online mode. From the configured serial port not, please choose another port. Some issue. So don't worry. Okay. Again, compile the system. Simulate the system. Okay, we'll check the S0, C0, C0, Y0, S1, C1, C1, C0, C1, C0, S1, C1, C0, Y0. Okay, S1, S0, C0. Again, we have to compile, simulate the system, go to online mode. And run the system. Okay, some technical error. I have to choose one more new document. Again, you have to reconnect. Counter 2. Again, we have to reconnect the system. Okay, S0, C0, K5. S0, count, C0, K5. Again, C0, Y0. C0, Y0. Okay. After that, S1, C1, K3. S1, counting, C1, K3. C1, K3, here using K3 after 3 counts. So the machine, the counting will be reset. After 3 counts, C1 reset C0. C1 reset C0. C1 RST, we are using RST, that is reset the system. C1 reset C0. Reset and end of the system. Compile the system. Simulate the system. Go to online mode. Once again, compile the system. Simulate the system. So here to run the system, okay. So here S0 will be enabled after 5 counts. Okay, after 5 counts. Okay, some technical error. So that's why I am unable to execute the program. Okay, so this is the thing. S0 after 5 counts, not S0 on and off, on and off, on and off. So you have to choose process like this. After 5 counts, Y0 will be enabled. After 3 counts, S1 will be on and off, on and off, on and off. After 3 counts, so C0 will be resetted. So C0 will be resetted. So K is 0. So that is like this. Okay. So that is the thing. So next one, new file. Coming to next problem. Star delta starter. Star delta. So after completion, so coming to star delta starter, here using how to run the start the motor, 3-phase induction motor using star delta starter is very common type of starter. It is used as a extensively compared to other types of starting methods. The induction motor, star delta starter used for case motor designed to run normally on delta connected stator winding. So here using to start the motor in starting condition and run the motor in running condition. Okay, by using star delta starter. So this is a motor stator winding. Okay, so 3-phase stator winding. So okay, at starting and running conditions will appear like this. Okay, at starting, this is star. Running condition, this is winding is delta connected mode. Okay, so when the motor picks up the speed, when the switch is in the start position, the stator winding are connected in the star connection. Okay, in star connection at starting position. After that, motor picks up the 80% of the rated speed, the switch is immediately put into the run position. As a result, the stator winding, which was in star connection, is changed into delta connection mode. Okay, so in this case, 3 modes of operation. At starting, star connected mode of winding, stator winding, and after 80% of the rated speed motor is reached, so the connection is stator winding connection is converted to delta mode of operation. Okay, at starting and motor is speed is reached to 80% of the rated speed. After that, the motor will be delta connected mode. So running condition delta connection, starting condition star connection, 80% of the speed rated speed, and at running delta connection mode. Okay, so this is the circuit. Y0. So Y0 is the main switch, M0 is the motor winding. So after switch goes off condition, even though motor will be running mode only. Okay, running mode only. After motor will be enabled, so motor will be enabled through Y0. Okay, so why? Because Y1 is NC, so we'll see later. So after M0 will be enabled, the timer would be setting at 60 seconds time delay. After 60 seconds, the timer will be enabled through Y0. Okay, so in this case, motor is starting. After 80% of the rated speed is reached, motor will be running condition. So Y0 is the starting of the motor output. Okay, Y1 is the running of the motor output, running condition of the motor output. Okay, we will see in that software mode. So why not M naught? Why not M naught? Because motor output M naught. After M naught is latching. Why we are using latching? We will see later. See in the middle of the execution. Why not? M naught will be latching. After that, M naught Y1, M naught Y1 NC, Y naught. M naught NC switch we are using, Y1 NC, Y naught. After that, M naught motor, main motor timer settling time is K60, TMR T naught K60, M naught K60, M naught K60. TMR timer will be setting K60, T naught K60, 60 seconds time. Okay, K60. After that, T naught will be enabled through Y naught, Y1. T naught will be enabled through Y1. T naught Y1. T naught Y1. After that, so to wind up the ladder diagram. Okay, wind up the ladder diagram. Compile the system again. It's okay. So Y0 is the main switch, M0 is the motor output. Okay, so main switch we have to on the system, M0 motor will on condition mode. So after that, so that is M0 will be enabled through Y0. After settling set the timer setting, that is K60, nothing but the motor will be reached through 80% of the rated speed. So motor at starting, stator winding is star connection mode. After getting 80% of the speed, rated speed, so motor will be running condition, that is delta connected mode of the stator winding. Okay. So again compile the system, simulate the system. Okay. Go to online mode. Again we compile. Okay. Again compile. Simulate the system. Some technical issue, that's why I am able to execute the program. save like this. Again, we have to simulate the system. Compile the system again. Go to online mode and run the system. Okay. So here motor will be y0 and y1. So two modes of operation is available. Y0 is the motor starting of the motor starting condition. Y1 is the motor running condition. So both will be one by one will be enabled. Okay. So y0 is the at starting condition, y1 is the at running condition. Okay. So that is the thing. Okay, thank you.